Hi, it's Evelyn. Thanks so much for tuning in to my channel and welcome to another Etsy vlog. I decided today just grab my camera and just share with you some of the behind the scenes of an Etsy seller. I have a small Etsy shop and I absolutely love what I do. I make handmade, all natural products for hair loss. So if you are experiencing hair loss in the crown area of your head, excessive shedding, irritation on your scalp, I make all natural products that can and will help you with any hair loss issue. And the orders that you will see me pack today, I have already shipped those orders out to my customers, and I want to thank all of you that support me on my Etsy shop. I truly appreciate it. I ordered two small work tables from Amazon. Okay, here is my work table. I purchased two tables from Amazon. They're very nice, the perfect size for my small office here. So I ordered two of the tables to have two workstations. Here is the other table. I've already set up my supplies on this table here, and I use my office desk for another workstation. So I am going to show you the setup of my first table here, what I like to do to get ready to pack some of my orders. This is for my scalp wipe, my scalp treatment wipes. This is a solution. This is a mixture that will help you if you are experiencing scalp pimples, itchy scalp, hair loss, psoriasis, fungus, bacteria on your scalp. The scalp treatment wipes will help you with that. It is mixed with neem oil, and this is the type of neem oil that I like to use. I like the rich, the thickness of it, as well as the dark color of it, and it is 100% pure cold press organic neem oil. So I love this neem oil. It really helps to fight any fungus, bacteria, hair loss, psoriasis, itchy scalp, burning scalp, any problems that you may have that you're dealing with on your scalp. So now I am going to, now that it is all mixed up, I am going to add my cotton pad. Okay, the cotton pads have set for a good hour to absorb the neem treatment solution for your scalp. And so now I am going to, over here, I am going to pack one cotton pad into the mylar foil bags, and then I will seal them with my flat iron. So now it's time for me to pack them, and I need to make 10 because I have 2 orders of sample set 2. So now I will get started. Okay, what I like to do first, I like to clean on the inside of the bag so that I can seal it easier without the oil being around the rim. So I'm going to do that to each bag and then take my flat iron and hold it. And now that it's all sealed up, I will seal the rest of them and then I will put the label on each packet. Okay, they are all done. I have them all nice and sealed. They are oily on the outside, so I will wipe them down with alcohol and get them all cleaned up and dry so that I can place the scalp wipe label on each of the packets. So that's my next step. Good morning. It is the next day, and I am sorry about how dim my video looked. I am going to invest in a ring light so that I am able to bring you more quality Etsy vlog videos and weekend vlog videos. I got up early this morning and I cleaned off the scalp wipes. Okay, here are my packets of scalp treatment wipes. They are all cleaned off, and I have put the scalp treatment wipe label on. And so all I have to do now is make my orders. Over here, I have all printed off all of my clients' orders, what they have requested. And in each of the orders, I have inserted this little note saying about telling you what's to come in regards to my Etsy shop December 1st through December 20th. With every purchase $35 or more, you will receive one sample set, which is the sample set 1, which is a retail value of $12. You would receive that free in your order during the holidays month, December 1st through the 20th. I will give out a sample set 1 as a thank you gift. So here are all my orders here laid out on the table, and I am going to get those packed and ready. As I say, by the time this video is uploaded, the products may have already arrived to my clients. Over here, I have the scalp tonic. Here, I have the scalp tonics ready. I have the scalp tonics ready for the sample 2. And I am going to get the labels onto those and get them packed in the boxes. And over here on my other workstation, I have the sample 2 products all made and ready. The pure nettle oil and the hair growth oil, the extra strength nettle hair growth oil, and the hair mask. Also, this is my extra strength nettle hair growth oil that I double infuse with some great herbs that is beneficial for your scalp, healing your scalp and promoting hair growth. I absolutely love this nettle oil. On my Etsy shop, I received another 5-star review for this oil. Young lady sharing with me how her daughter's hair is growing really fast and thick. And this oil is great. I get really good comments and remarks about this oil, how this oil is promoting hair growth. I love this oil. It is definitely a godsend to me. I absolutely love it. And so it is available on my shop. All of my products are available on my shop. So I have several more bottles that I need to get made. And here is the sample set 1 that I will include during the holidays, December 1st through the 20th. I will give this set away with every purchase $35 or more during the holidays. So make sure you get your order in. Over here, this is my little thank you basket. I will insert a motivational bookmark, or either this is a beautiful refrigerator magnet. I'm sorry you can't see it, but I did show it in one of my videos. So I'm going to get everything packed, and right here I have I make my own labels, and I am more than likely I will do a video showing you how I make my labels for all of my products. And so this completes this part of my video. So this completes this part of my Etsy shop vlog, just sharing a little bit behind the scenes what I do, making all natural homemade, handmade products for hair loss. Again, if you are suffering from hair loss, go over to my Etsy shop, read the reviews, and look at the ingredients. Read the description that I have on each of the products, and I want you to enjoy the rest of this video. It's just outdoor clips, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye, and I'll see you next time.
The master is just dying, you see.